Hello, everyone, and welcome. For all of you aspirants who took the Delhi Police Constable exam, the update you've been waiting for is finally here. So let's dive right in and break down what you need to know and, more importantly, what you need to do right now.
That's right. The wait is officially over. The Staff Selection Commission, or SSC, has just released a major update for everyone who appeared for the computer-based exam. Let's get into the details of what this really means for you.
So here's the official announcement. For the Constable Executive Exam that was held between December 18, 2025 and January 6, 2026, the tentative answer keys, along with your personal response sheets, have now been uploaded and are ready for you to check.
Now, before we move forward, it's really important to understand two key documents. One is the answer key, and the other is your response sheet. Knowing the difference is the absolute first step in calculating your score. The most important word to focus on here is tentative. This means it's a provisional answer key, not the final one. These are the answers that SSC currently believes are correct. But, and this is key, if you think an answer is wrong, this is your opportunity to challenge it.
This should make the difference crystal clear. On one side, you've got the answer key. That's the list of official correct answers from SSC. On the other side is your response sheet. This shows the answers that you actually marked during the exam. Your job is to put these two side by side and compare them.
Here's a quick but important point that's mentioned in the official notice. When you log into the challenge portal, the order of the questions might look different from what you remember. Don't panic, this is normal. The most crucial thing is that the answer you selected is reflected there accurately.
So this brings up the big question, right? What if you find a mistake? What if you're positive your answer is right and the key is wrong? Well, let's walk through the step-by-step process for how to submit a challenge. The process is actually very straightforward, and it's all done online. First, go to the official website, ssc.gov.in. Log in with your registration number and password. From there, you just need to select the question you want to challenge and then submit your representation. That's just your justification, along with the required payment.
Okay, pay close attention now. This next section is the most time-sensitive part of the entire process. If you miss these deadlines, your chance to challenge an answer is gone. There are no exceptions to this.
The window for submitting your challenges will open on January 13th, 2026 at 6 p.m. Make sure you mark your calendar and set a reminder because you won't be able to submit anything before this exact time. And here is the final deadline. The window closes for good on January 16th, 2026 at 6 p.m. The notice is very clear that after this time, no requests will be considered under any circumstances. It's a very short window, so you need to act fast. There's also a fee for each answer you want to challenge. It's 50 rupees per question. So if you're thinking of challenging more than one question, be sure to calculate the total cost. All right, let's wrap this up with some final and absolutely critical points. Think of this as your final checklist to make sure you don't miss a single thing.
So the most important rule, everything has to be submitted through the online portal. No emails, no letters. Remember, after 6 p.m. on January 16th, the window is closed, and this is the most critical point of all. After that deadline, your response sheet will also no longer be available, so your number one priority should be to download and save a copy right now. Seriously, do not put this off.
So that's the whole process. The deadlines are clear and the steps are set. Every single correct answer matters, and a successful challenge could be a total game changer for your final score. So the question is, could your score be higher? There's only one way to find out. Go and check your answers